So now let's see how we can work around with the extrude and rotate effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a text layer, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around under effects right here, and then I'm going to go around and then go to geometry right here. Once I do that, here you can see that extrude is an effect. So let me just go around and click and drag this out, and then you can see that the text is extruded right here. You can go around and change around the depth of the extrude for the text right here, and then choose to extrude only the back or only the front as well, and turn on internal edges as well. So that is what you have with the extrude. So that is now what you're supposed to do. You extrude out the particular text. Apart from that, you can also go around and rotate. So let's just go around and add in the text right here, and I can go around and rotate out the text right here individually, as you can see right here. So that is what you have. You can go around and make it random, as you can see just like this as well, and click and drag it out, and this is the effect that you have right here. So this is how you can go around and extrude and rotate out your text inside of HitFilm. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.